Have you ever wondered how we watch the Earth without leaving the ground? How do we monitor oceans, forests, cities, even storms, without flying around all day? The answer is Earth observation. Hi, welcome to The Right Terminology, and let's understand Earth observation today. Earth observation, or EO for short, is the process of collecting information about the Earth's surface without actually touching it. It's like giving Earth a regular health check using satellites, aircraft, drones, and even sensors placed on the ground. To do so, experts gather data about land, oceans, atmosphere, ice caps, natural disasters, and more. Simply put, Earth observation means watching and studying our planet remotely. It's a whole team effort to watch over our planet from space, air, and ground, which helps us understand, protect, and manage our planet. EO helps us to monitor climate change, track rising sea levels, manage cities and infrastructure, protect biodiversity, and much more. Even every weather forecast we check, every disaster map we see, Earth observation has made it possible. So Earth observation is one of the coolest fields connecting science, technology, and our everyday lives. Thanks for watching. Stick around and keep following, because at the right terminology, we make complex geospatial terms simple, fun, and crystal clear. Like, share, and subscribe. And never get lost in the jargon jungle again, because terminologies matter.